Okay, problem 2, which is Luke and Leia escaping from the Death Star. So, let's see where we are. So Luke and Leia have this mass. They are going to behave as one unit, right? So I'm just going to say the total mass is 120 kilograms. Okay, easy enough. They're swinging across this chasm, swinging from a 5-meter long piece of thin cable. So they're basically going, shoop like that, okay? And their speed is 5 meters per second. And the length of their cable, which I'm going to call R for semi-obvious reasons, is 5 meters. So what this is like a circular motion thing, and we need to find out what, how much tension the cable has to be able to take. So, free body diagram of the cable. First of all, how are Luke and Leia accelerating? Well, they're going to accelerate towards the center of the circle they're making, right? So, they've got to be accelerating upwards. And their acceleration has to be centripetal acceleration for the circle they're making, which means it's got to be b squared over r. So, what they have is tension in the cable, and they have mg. Those are the only two forces acting on them because they're not touching anything. They can't have a normal force, they can't have friction because they're not touching anything. All they've got is the cable pulling on them and, of course, the Death Star's gravity. Okay, so, we'll do that, and sum of forces equals ma. So in the x direction, we got zip, nada, equals max, which is 0. Big surprise. Okay, in the y direction, we have, tension going up, and then mg going down, and then equals may, which is going to be m v squared over r. So what you're going to get now is you're going to get the tension in the cable is mg plus mv squared over r. Tension of the cable then, m times g plus v squared over r, okay, which equals, let's see, so their total mass, and I'll move this down a tad. So their total mass was 120 kilograms. G, I'm going to say was 10, even though 9.8 is Earth, but it's the Death Star. I should have said the Death Star's gravity is 10 meters per second squared, just to